Trying to film yourself with a drone can be tricky when you need to move and stay in the shot. A good Follow Me drone can make that whole process feel much easier. In this video, I'm covering the best Follow Me drones. These picks come at different prices, and each one may suit a different use, so watch the full video to find the best fit for your needs. I've added links to every product in the description. You can like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and leave any questions in the comments. Now let's get into the reviews. Number 6. Holy Stone HS600. At number 6, this pick brings a lot to the table for a budget model, especially for new pilots who want steady aerial footage without spending too much. I'd place it near the top of the entry-level group for value, since it pairs a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization and a 2-axis gimbal. Flight time reaches up to 40 minutes, although real-world results will vary with wind, speed, and recording conditions. The transmission range can reach up to approximately 20,000 feet, while level 6 wind resistance helps the drone remain stable when conditions get rough. GPS adds 1-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return, which can make each flight feel less stressful. The controller has its own screen for speed, altitude, and other flight details, and your phone connects with a single data cable. You can use follow mode or create custom routes through waypoint mode. Its foldable body and included carrying case make storage simple, although the drone weighs about 21.3 ounces, so it may feel heavier than smaller travel options. The main drawback is mixed feedback about battery health and long-term reliability. Still, for beginners who care most about camera quality, easy controls, and useful safety features, this is a capable place to start. Number 5. DJI Neo. For number 5, portability is the main attraction, with a tiny body that weighs just 135 grams. This is a budget-friendly pick for beginners, travelers, and casual creators who want hands-free clips without carrying a larger drone. You can launch it from your palm, control it by voice or phone, and let subject tracking keep you in frame. 8 quick-shot modes add simple moves like circle, rocket, and boomerang, making short videos easier to plan. The 12-megapixel camera records 4K footage, and built-in stabilization helps smooth out motion. Internal storage gives you 22 gigabytes, so a memory card is not needed. Each battery can last around 16 to 22 minutes, and this combo includes 3 batteries plus a 2-way charging hub. Phone control reaches only about 50 meters, so longer flights need an optional RCN3 controller. Wind is another weak point, since the light frame can struggle in rough conditions. I think the biggest appeal is how little setup it needs. Its low weight means it does not need FAA registration in the United States. For selfies, hiking clips, family events, or first flights, it offers an easy way to get moving shots without learning complex controls. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. Moving into number 4, this pick brings sharper imaging and longer flights without stepping into premium pricing. It lands in the lower mid-range, giving beginners and casual creators more room to grow. The camera uses a half-inch Sony sensor, records 4K video at 30 frames per second, and captures 48-megapixel photos. A 3-axis gimbal keeps footage steady, and the wide f1.8 aperture helps in dimmer light. Follow, parallel, and spotlight modes give you several ways to keep a subject framed. Plus, AI tracking can lock onto moving objects. Flight time reaches up to 32 minutes per battery. The Fly More package includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and a shoulder bag, bringing the total possible airtime close to 96 minutes. Range can reach 10 kilometers, and strong wind resistance helps it hold position with less drift. At 249 grams, it stays below the FAA registration limit in the United States. The trade-off is limited obstacle avoidance, so close flights around trees or buildings need extra care. Waypoint mode may need a firmware update for full use. For travelers, vloggers, and newer pilots who want better camera control without a premium bill, this one offers a smart step up. Number 3. Hover Air X1 Pro Max. Number 3 changes the pace with a pocket-sized camera drone built around fast, automatic tracking. It lands in the upper mid-range, so I see it as a stronger pick for creators who care about action shots and easy hands-free filming. A single click or voice command can send it up from your hand, and more than 15 flight modes cover follow, orbit, dolly track, cycling, and bird's eye shots. Tracking can keep up at 42 kilometers per hour, with burst speed reaching 60. The camera records horizontal video in 8K at 30 frames per second and vertical video in 4K at 30 frames per second. A 2-axis gimbal, electronic stabilization, and horizon leveling work together to keep motion smooth. At 192 grams, it stays below the FAA registration limit for recreational flights in the United States. Rear time of flight and visual sensors provide braking support in certain automatic flight modes, but there is no forward or side obstacle detection, so open spaces are the safer choice. You get 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, plus support for memory cards up to 1 terabyte. The included charging hub is useful, though the basic combo has only one battery. For cycling, skiing, hiking, and quick social clips, this option brings sharp video and little setup. Number 2. DJI Air 3S, RCN3. Taking the second spot, this model is built for creators who want stronger tracking, longer flights, and cleaner footage in changing light. It carries a premium price tag, and I see it as a better fit for serious travel videos, paid work, or anyone ready to move past entry-level gear. The main 1-inch camera records 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, plus 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second. A second telephoto camera gives you more framing choices, and the 50-megapixel photo mode pulls in plenty of detail. Active Track 360 can follow a subject around trees, bridges, and other busy areas, with LiDAR and sensors watching for obstacles in every direction. Flight time reaches up to 45 minutes, and the video link can stretch as far as 20 kilometers. Wind handling is strong, and Smart Return to Home can plan a safer route when the signal gets weak. You get 42 gigabytes of internal storage and fast file transfer with the drone turned off. The standard package includes one battery, and the charger is sold separately, which feels stingy at this price. Still, for tracking accuracy, low-light video, and long shooting sessions, this is the high-end choice that earns its number 2 ranking. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The top spot is aimed at creators who want the most flexible camera setup and the longest flight time on this list. It carries a premium cost, so I see it serving filmmakers, wildlife shooters, and advanced pilots far more than casual beginners. The main 4/3 CMOS camera captures 100-megapixel photos and records 6K HDR video at 60 frames per second. 2 telephoto cameras add 70mm and 168mm views, giving you close framing without flying right beside the subject. A 360-degree gimbal can rotate through unusual angles, opening up more creative movement during tracking shots. Flight time reaches up to 51 minutes, and O4+ transmission can send video as far as 30 kilometers. Sensors in every direction and low-light obstacle detection help the aircraft react around buildings, trees, and other hazards. The included RC2 controller has a bright 5.5-inch screen, and the standard kit comes with a 100-watt USB-C adapter. There are trade-offs. At about 2.34 pounds, it is relatively portable for a professional camera drone, though it is noticeably bulkier than the smaller travel-focused Pix. Customer feedback mentions a few reliability issues. For professional shoots where image detail, lens choice, and long tracking runs matter most, this is the clear number 1 choice. That covers my choices for the best Follow Me drones. Before you go, check out the other buying guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.